Hello, TikTok. Here we come. It's Tara Lee once again with my poetics. This one inspired by my grandkids with the 1-2 buckle my shoe, but I came home and this is what happened. It's called 1-2. I'll buckle my own shoe. So 1, 2, 3 by Tara Lee. 1, 2, 3, don't look at me. 4, 5, 6, you make me sick. 7, 8, 9, forget that you're divine. 10, 11, 12, we're under your spells. 13, 14, 15, don't manipulate my genes. 16, 17, 18, division is how we make teams. 19, 20, 21, who do I want to become? 22, 23, 24, I am woman, hear us roar. Meow. Hey, chat. Meow. Yeah, I know. 25, 26, 27. Forgive to heal, for this is heaven. 28, 29, 30. How can you serve to be worthy? 31, 32, 33. Pick your path to be free. 34, 35, 36. Look over there. Not at our tricks. 37, 38, 39. Their time is ending, and fear their crimes. 40, 41, 42. Give love to fear. Help us renew. 43, 45, 40. Oh, sorry, the cat distracted me. Chat, can you wait? I'm in the middle of a poem. Where was I? Sorry. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, yeah, and all their fear and their crimes. Okay. Chat. Shh. 43, 44, 45. Unindoctrinate me. Love always thrives. 46, 47, 48. Come choose from your possibility plate. Woohoo! 49, 50, 51. Ready, set, go. Game player 1. 50, 52, 53.